Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, we're going to read a Pete the Cat book. You got it. You know, I love Pete the Cat. Such a good stories and fun. And so if you've got the book, it's a bestseller. It's one for your library. It's Pete the Cat and his magic sunglasses. Do you have any magic sunglasses? You're going to get to tell me about it after the story. So if you've got this book, get it so you can follow along. For my AR testers, this is a level 2-2. 2-2. Pete the Cat and the Magic Sunglasses is our title page. The illustrator is James Dean. The author is both Kimberly and James Dean. That turtle upside down. Pete the Cat did not feel happy. Pete had never, ever been grumpy before. Pete had the blue cat blues. Then, as if things were not bad enough, along came Grumpy Toad. Grumpy Toad was never happy. He always wore a frown. But Grumpy Toad was not grumpy today. He said, "These cool blue magic sunglasses made the blues go away. They help you see things in a whole new way." They put on the cool blue magic sunglasses. He looked all around. Right on! The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. Pete thanked Grumpy Toad for the cool blue magic sunglasses. He went on his way, and soon he saw Squirrel. Squirrel did not look happy. Pete said, "What's wrong, Squirrel?" "I'm so mad. Nothing is going my way. I only found 1 acorn today." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They will help you see things in a whole new way." Squirrel put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Awesome! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. Pete said goodbye to Squirrel and continued on his way. Soon he saw his friend Turtle. Turtle did not look happy. "What's wrong, Turtle?" Pete asked. This is slow crossing. "I'm so frustrated. Nothing is going my way. I am all upside down today." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They will help you see things in a whole new way." Turtle put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Far out! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. Pete kept rolling along until he saw Alligator. Alligator did not look happy. "What's wrong, Alligator?" Pete asked. "I'm so sad. Nothing is going my way. No one wants to play with me today." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They will help you see things in a whole new way." Easy Street. Alligator put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. "Rockin'! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right." Pete was rolling along and feeling all right when suddenly he fell back. The cool blue magic sunglasses went crack. Uh-oh! Pete didn't know what to do without those sunglasses. Owl up there watching. Just then, Pete looked up at the tree. Wise old owl said, "Pete, you don't need magic sunglasses to see things in a new way. Just remember to look for the good in every day." Pete looked around without his sunglasses. Too cool! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining. We're feeling all right. Now, I'm going to give you two things. You can either tell me what made you get up on the right side of the bed today. Make it a good day. It's your choice when you hit the floor. So tell me something that you look forward to when you get up to make it a bright day. You know, I've seen people, you see them and they're going, "I'm not a morning person." You see them at noon. Well, they're not a noon person either. You see them in the afternoon. They're not an afternoon person either. What are they? You got to look for the good in every day. And if you want to draw and color a pair of blue sunglasses and cut them out to remind you, see the good in every day. Share with me on Cindy's Corner if you make some blue sunglasses. Share them with me so that we can share them. I hope you enjoyed today. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you can share me with your friends. And most important, give somebody a hug and tell them you love them. Make their day. Have a great day.